This is the Subaru Sambar Dias Classic, and I am gearing up for engine and transmission removal. Need to do the timing belt and water pump, and then anything else that I find. I'm going to make some video notes before I start disconnecting the engine. I see this and I'm curious. That might be a tachometer connection. I could be wrong, but I need to investigate that a little further. But I just want to get some footage before I disconnect the first piece. Looks like I need an engine mount. That looks pretty bad. It looks like someone has shoved a piece of wood in there to try to get it to not vibrate so much. O2 sensor? It's not big enough. I think maybe that's just a temperature sensor. So I think the cat, you know what? I'm not sure where the cat is. The cat may be in the muffler. Okay, more video notes before I start disconnecting things. Sure, several weeks from now I will have forgotten and need to look back on this video. More visual notes. Looks like that goes into the fuel tank. Eh, darn it. My crush washer's leaking on this one too. We need to get better crush washers. Throttle cable, I assume. Brake booster, maybe? No, goes to the canister. Cooling line.